The discovery meeting is extremely important when it comes to a sales cycle. A discovery meeting is essentially the foundation of the entire sales process. So what that means is having a strong discovery, you'll understand the buying cycle, you'll understand who the prospect is, what their challenges are, what's their goal, how can I connect the dots at the end of the day to close the deal. Without a strong discovery meeting, you're lacking a lot of evidence that you can actually close the deal. I would say a trade secret when it comes to active listening and a good leading discovery question is to first do your research on the prospect and on the company that you're speaking with. When it comes to discovery, simply asking a customer, say, or a prospect and say, hey, tell me about your challenges, tell me about your goals. These are really industry standard questions, right? How do you differentiate yourself from the other salespeople that they're potentially speaking with on a vendor choice? So when it comes to those type of questions and active listening, how do I get the prospect or the customer to speak about their product or their business more intimately or more in detail, and therefore I can perform active listening and truly understand what their underlying challenges might be. One thing I would like to do, I typically like to do, is when doing research on a company, I look at their newsletter, their product releases, their opening headcounts on their hiring page to truly understand, okay, where an area of challenges might be. For an example, if they have a new product releasing in Q4, I like to ask about that product question and say, hey, came across this, that you guys are releasing X product. Tell me about this. Tell me about this release. What level of impact will this have on your business? Now you can leading up to the question of what's the goal? What may be some of the challenges that come along with these type of impact? So from there, you can engage your prospect, you can engage your customers on really asking the right questions and get them to start talking. You have the opportunity to active listen, observe their facial expression, watching their body language, really understand what's keeping them up at night.